For today's lesson, we will discuss about fishing gears used for catching fish. Fishing gear refers to the equipment and tools used by fishers to catch fish or other aquatic organisms. Here are some of the fishing gears used for catching fish. First, scoop net. Versatile and practical tool for collecting aquatic organisms in various aquatic environments, providing valuable information for scientific research, conservation efforts, and recreational activities. In aquaculture, a scoop net serves several essential functions. It is a type of handheld net with a fine mesh and a rigid frame, commonly used for the following purposes: harvesting fish or shrimp, transferring aquatic species, removing dead or sick stock. Seine net. Versatile and effective tools for catching fish and other aquatic organisms, making them valuable assets in both commercial and recreational fishing activities. A seine net is a large fishing net used primarily for encircling and capturing fish in ponds, tanks, or enclosures. It is one of the most important tools for stock management in semi-intensive and intensive farming systems. Cast net. A type of fishing net that is thrown or cast by hand to catch fish and other aquatic organisms. It consists of a circular net with weights along the perimeter and a series of hand loops or brails that gather the net when it is retrieved. A cast net is a circular fishing net with small mesh and weighted edges designed to be thrown by hand. While it's more commonly used in fisheries and small-scale fishing, it also has specific applications in aquaculture operations. Hand diggers and collectors. Manual tools used in various aquatic activities to gather or harvest organisms from the substrate or water column. Dredges. Mechanical devices used to remove sediment, debris, or unwanted materials from the bottom of ponds, lakes, rivers, or coastal areas. In aquaculture, especially in shellfish farming, dredges are specialized tools used primarily for working on or harvesting from the seafloor or pond bottom. While more commonly associated with wild fisheries, dredges have clear and important functions in aquaculture too. Spears. Tools used for catching fish and other aquatic organisms by piercing or impaling them. Stupefying aids. Substances used in aquaculture and fisheries management to immobilize or stun fish temporarily. In aquaculture, stupefying aids, also known as anesthetics or sedatives, are substances used to calm, sedate, or temporarily immobilize aquatic animals, primarily fish and sometimes crustaceans, for various handling procedures. Hooks and lines, also known as angling gear, are traditional and widely used tools in fisheries for catching fish. Hooks and lines are not commonly used for mass harvesting, but they still serve specific and valuable functions, especially in small-scale research or broodstock management settings. Stationary entangling nets, also known as passive fishing gear or fixed fishing gear, are fishing nets that are set in a fixed location and rely on the movement of fish to become entangled. Stationary entangling nets are passive fishing gears used to capture fish by entanglement rather than by enclosing or scooping them. These nets are set in place stationary and rely on the movement of fish to swim into and become entangled in them. Stationary enclosures. also known as fish traps or fish weirs, are fishing structures designed to capture fish as they swim through or around them. Mobile enclosing nets, also known as seines, are fishing nets designed to encircle fish in open water and then draw the bottom of the net closed like a purse, trapping the fish inside. Mobile enclosing nets are fishing or management tools used to temporarily surround and capture fish within a water body like a pond, tank, or open water system. Unlike stationary enclosures which are fixed, mobile enclosing nets are actively moved to catch or control fish. For the lesson activity, we will based on the scenario or story mentioned above.